Hi guys, it's Jamie with Not Too Shabby, and we have a mini I Want It All bundle release for you today. So we are back at it, and this is a theme of Valentine's Day, but not limited to Valentine's Day, because you could definitely use these images throughout the year. So I have some cards to share with you, but first let me share the bundle with you. So here is the stamp set. This is called Sweet Valentine, and we have two very cute images that are the main focus of the stamp set. So we've got a cup of either ice cream, or it could be a coffee drink, whatever you want to color this up as. And then we've got a cupcake, and they both have cute little faces on them. We've got a little heart spoon. We've got a heart with some scallops on it. We've got another heart with like wings on the side of it. We've got the sentiments, be mine, yum, and smile. And then a cute little heart banner. And then the sentiment, hello, sweet cakes. So super cute. Now for this bundle, you do have the option to get the coordinating die with this bundle. So to get the coordinating die, you're going to see a drop-down menu. So when you purchase this item, you'll see the drop-down menu, and you'll see, yes, I want to add the die. Click on that. It's going to add an additional $16.99 for the die. There's also the option, no, I do not want the die. Just check that if you don't want the die. So you'll see the drop-down menu for that. The die does cut out the inside of this handle, and I do have the die in stock. It is all ready to go. This will be shipping out right away, so I will start shipping today. So here is the cup. Looks so cute, and then there's that one. So I thought I'd cut some of these out so you can see how they look. See, doesn't the sentiments look very cute cut out? So you'll also get this Lots of Love background stencil designed by Call Me Crafty Al. And it is very, very cute for your background. I used it on this card here just for a subtle background. I did some ink blending with some distress inks, and then I went over the top with the stencil. Isn't that cute? So this card I did use the Yum sentiment. Colored this with Copics. The ground is done with distress inks. I just placed a mask over my image and then did ink blending right over the top. And then for the beautiful paper and ephemera, so this is called Sweet Valentine Wishes, you get 24 double-sided sheets, 2 of each design, so you get more patterns on this one, 2 of each design. And then coordinating ephemera that matches very nicely with the paper pad. So Teresa Russell, who is Fresh and Renewed with Teresa here on YouTube, has put this collection together for me. And she is our designer for our papers and ephemera. I'll lay out all the pieces for you so you can see what comes in the ephemera package. We have some sentiments. If you want to create a quick card, just pop one of these sentiments on. We've got the sentiment love, I love you a latte, hugs, kisses, Valentine wishes. That birdhouse is really cute. There's a lot of gnomes in this package. We've got a couple coffee cups with candies inside. Love that cupcake. Look at that guy, he is so cute. So a lot of fun gnomes, and they all match the paper pad. There's a couple design colors in the paper pads that you can create some different looks. You get the reds with the pink. You also got a purple in there, so that is super fun. And I know you're going to create some awesome cards with this collection. So I'm going to flip through the paper pad really quick so you can see the different designs. I love the plaids. I just love creating cards with plaid. Isn't it just super fun? And then there's these really great patterns in there. Almost looks like paint swatches. So really fun. Love this one here. I love pink with teal and red with teal. It's got to be one of my favorite combinations. What's your favorite color combos? Let me know down below in the comments. I want to hear what your favorite color combos are. So I love this one. That one looks like an alcohol inked background. There's a purple plaid. Just gorgeous. Oh, I love the roses. That's super pretty. And I love that one too. That one's really pretty. So I just love this paper pad. Gorgeous, gorgeous prints in there. You can see my other cards. I used the paper. I love how this one turned out. So I did a belly band on this. This is like a gatefold card. I put 2 card bases together and then chopped the front of this one down. And then I have the Hello Sweet Cakes sentiment popped up. These 2 little images stuck right down on the paper, and then these are popped up on a belly band. So for the belly band I did use a 12 by 12 sheet of paper. And you just slide that off, and then you have to open up your card this way, and then you can write your message on the inside. So you can also decorate the back with some pattern paper. So really like how that card turned out. And then this one was done with the ephemera. We've got the sentiment, I love you a latte, which is an ephemera piece, and then these cute little gnomes, and then this gorgeous paper in the background. So this is a mini slimline card, and I use Cat Scrappiness mini slimline dies to create that. Then we have this one here. So we used the paper pad, and then we used that cute cup with the candies inside that says I heart you, and the cute little gnome presenting that, and it says be mine. So that is a stamp from the stamp set, and then sprinkled with some sequins. So again, here are all the components that come in this bundle. And the die is an extra add-on. So head on over to the shop. The link will be in the description box. It's nottoshabbyshop.com. And I will catch you real soon in the next video, guys. I can't wait to see what you create with this bundle. Please hashtag me at nottoshabbyshop. Thanks, guys.